Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to protect carpets from getting wet on your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum 5. For that, you will need to enable the vacuum detection, and in order to do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then select the Carpet Cleanup Preferences. Make sure that carpet recognition is enabled. If it's not, then it's gonna mop on the carpets. When it's enabled, you can select vacuums only on carpets, which means it will lift them up, but it will still vacuum the carpet. And you can also enable Carpet Boost if you'd like. You can, instead of that, set Carpet Avoidance. This will mean it won't even try to get on the carpet. And you can also set Carpet Crossing, which means it will cross it without vacuuming or mopping. And that is about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.